Alright guys, so if you're playing a Steam game and you notice that MSI Afterburner is not showing your FPS or stats even though it's running in the background, this video will show you how to fix it. Let me show you what I mean. So right now I have MSI Afterburner running, but as you can see in the game, none of the stats are showing, no FPS, no CPU usage, nothing. This actually happens a lot with Steam games, and the issue is not with MSI Afterburner. Some Steam games block third-party overlays because of anti-cheat systems, so MSI Afterburner can't display the stats, but luckily the fix is really simple. First, close the game, then go to Steam, right-click on the game and click Properties. Now inside the launch options, type this command, allow _third_party_software. Once you add that, just close the window. Now launch the game again, wait for the game to load. And now, as you can see, the FPS, CPU, GPU, and all the stats are showing again. So yeah, that's basically how you fix MSI Afterburner not showing stats in Steam games. Super simple fix once you know about it. Hopefully this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.